Okay. Okay.
Alright, once it's feathered, I'm bringing the mixture back on the left engine. Bringing it back.
Okay.
Alright, once it's brought back.
You're heading at 280, I said.
280. The right engine cowline needs to be open. Okay. So fuel's onto the right engine. Okay, here we go. Magnetos for left engine off.
Let's see if we verify it. Wait a minute. Yeah. Yeah, what were you told those for?
Yeah, so the left engine should be back, huh?
I can step back,
okay.
but don't touch those.
Yeah, left engine's going to come off here.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, do you see it?
I see it, left engine.
Both coming off.
Okay, got it. I'll concur with that.
Fuel pump off.
Fuel pump's up. Okay.
And then,
alright.
Let's see here, there's one more alternator
Give
on
me
the left
280
side.
on the heading. Let's turn this off a little bit. There we go.
Alright. That whole thing takes me by shock, even though I'm prepared for it.
Hold on. It's always going to do that, no matter what. But you do great, okay? You were really calm about it, okay? If that's you're the first person that I've trusted that I could fail with the fuel. So you didn't see me failing.
No.
Yeah, so I just pulled the fuel back and see if you can figure it out, okay? All right, so by the way, for your information, I get the fuel back on, go ahead and verify with your fingers, make sure that you...
Okay, it's on.
Okay, give me 290.
290.
Okay, 290. So if you don't need all this RPM to maintain level flight, you can pull this out back a little bit if you want.
Okay.
So you're not, it's supposed to be able to redline all forever, but if you want to, save the engine a little bit, you can pull it back and see if it'll fly at 26 and maintain.
Alright, trying to get back to altitude here. I lost 100 feet.
Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. Okay. We got that feel. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm almost set the clock here, but remember when we restarted, we wanted to fly around 3 minutes or so. Okay, so let's do an engine restart, okay?
Okay, engine restart.
Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Alright, so the fuel pump is off. Fuel selector on, alternate air.
That's over there.
Left engine fuel pump is off.
Okay.
Alright, so let's see here. Mixture, enrich it. Prompt to cruise. Loosen this just a little bit here. Throttle a little bit, just broken. Prompt to cruise. Engine lock on.
Okay.
Not maintaining my heading at 290. Alright, magnetos on for the left engine.
Okay, I verified.
Okay, on. Now.
Hit your checklist, make sure you haven't missed anything, because you went pretty much to my memory, just go make sure.
Okay, make sure throttles, and magnetos on, and master off. Okay, so we're leaving the radio master on.
Yep.
Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start the left engine.
Okay. Okay, I'll start your clock.
Okay. I didn't maintain my heading. Man, this is hard.
Well, you're under the hood. You're doing a lot better than I did the first time.
Oh, good. That engine failure was amazing, man. It was like, are they doing it right now, here, and for real?
Yeah, that was...